First, install the handpiece. Put the handpiece on the sheath. Then, install the handpiece socket. Installing the handpiece socket, please pay attention to the socket need to match with machine socket. Hold the blue button with both hands. Push the handpiece socket. Then you will hear the sound of ka. The blue button will up spring. Then the handpiece install finished. Then install the paddle switch. Installing a paddle, please pay attention to the paddle plug grooves on the cover part of the socket. This is the machine's cooling fan. This is the machine's air switch. When the machine's temperature is too high, it will automatically shut down the machine to protect the machine. This is the temperature. This is the water inlet. This is the second piece cooling fan. This is the water outlet. This is the water overflow. This is the filling filler, and we prepared pure water. Screw off the water inlet and water overflow when add water. Collect the filling filler with the water inlet. Then add water until the water overflow from the water overflow hole. That means the machine full of water. Because our machine have been add water, so here refers to do a simple presentation. After adding water, screw on water overflow, remove the filler, and then screw on water inlet. It is important to note that change water of machine, you need to open the water outlet, clean the machine inside of the rest of water, and then add new water. First, insert the key into the key switch. Turn clockwise for one time. After turn clockwise, if the screen is not bright, screw the emergency stop button at this time. Open the emergency stop button. After the emergency stop button bulbs, we can see the display lights. We divided the key control switch into two gears, this time at the first gear. Screw the key control switch to the two gears. At this time, the key switch is in the horizontal position. Middle indicator light brightens the machine into the operation state. Select the gender and operation part on the top left corner of the working interface. Select according to the actual situation. For example, if miss operating arm now, select the D option. Select the skin color on the following line. The color of Roman numbers from 1 to 6 depends gradually. Select according to the customer's skin color. Here is the highest working temperature of instruments. If over 35 degrees, the instrument will stop working. When the temperature reaches 30 degrees, the machine will start TEC cooling method. Here is the number of instrument operation. Here is the state of the water circle of the instrument. This means in normal state. If the water circle of the instrument is in abnormal condition, the green warning icon will light up. Adjust the energy density and frequency at the right side of the working interface. This reference to the energy per square centimeter up to 120. This is the frequency. 1 to 10 is adjustable. The operation energy equals to the energy density multiplied the frequency. The maximum is 120. For example, when the frequency value is set to 1, the highest energy density can be adjusted to 120. When the frequency value is set to 6, the highest energy density only can be adjusted to 20. During actual operation, suggest to adjust the frequency to 4 or 5. After confirm the frequency, suggest to add the energy density start around 16. Add the energy until the customer feels neutral burning sensation and slight tightening. Then this is the suitable energy for operation. The following are save, standby, and ready buttons. This is the ready button. Click the ready button and press the operating button on the therapy handle to start operating. When stop operation, click the standby button. There is no energy output if you press the operation button on the therapy handle at this time. Commonly used in midway stop operation. This is the save button. Can save the parameters after you adjust wear. There is an indicator light on the instrument. When it brightens, that means the cooling is working. When midway stop or do not operate the instrument over half an hour, suggest to adjust the instrument to standby situation and close the cooling. When the indicator light goes out, the cooling is closed. This is to avoid the treatment head have thin ice for long time no operation, affect the next step operation. Please pay attention that the operation part and scan color cannot adjust in ready mode. Only in standby mode can adjust the operation part and scan color. Then we start actual operation. Before treatment, we need to prepare some items. Gel, bowl and bar for gel, non-woven fabric, razor, ice bag, Now we start operate. Arm hair remover. At first, observe the customer's hair length. If the hair is too long, we need to use razor to cut it to 1 to 2 mm. The reason of cutting hair to about 1 to 2 mm is that too long or too short hair will affect the hair absorption of light. 1 to 2 mm is the most suitable length. After, cut the hair to 1 to 2 mm and clean the operation part. Cover a proper amount of gel to the operation part. Just need to cover a thin layer of gel, no need to very thin. After cover the gel, adjust the working interface and screw the key switch to horizontal position. The indicator light brightens and the cooling starts to work. After select operation part and scan color, adjust the frequency to 5 and energy density to 16. Click Start to operate. Press the operation button on the therapy handle. Let the treatment head sliding back and front on the sky. One back and front means one time. Do 5 to 7 times during the whole operation. Asking the customer's feeling during sliding on the sky. 8 energy if customer has no feeling. 8-4 per once. If the customer still has no feeling, 8 energy again. During operation, please remember to keep contact with customer in time. The most suitable operation energy that the customer feels little burning sensation and slight tightening. During operation, please attention that do not operation in one part over 3 times. Now we use the first model to operate 808nm Diode laser. For the second model of operation, we'll show you later. Please remember to supplement gel timely during operation. After do the hair removal treatment, suggest to ice the treatment part for half an hour. Reduce the temperature of treatment part to avoid post-operative discomfort. Hair removal generally do 15 days per once. Now the operation is finished. After operation, we need to clean the gels on the operation part and ice it for half an hour. Now we use the second model to operate the Diode laser. Suggest to start from frequency 4 and energy density 10, then 8 according to customer's feeling. After adjust the inert, click Start to operate. This operation mode does not need to use gear. Keep the sky in dry situation. Press the operation button on the therapy handle to start operate. During treatment, do not need to close to the sky, about 0.7 cm distant from the sky. Same as the first operation mode, keep asking the customer feeling during operation. Add energy if the customer has no feeling. This kind of operate mode do not use gears to insulate heat. The customer feeling will be more obviously, so every time increase 2 energy only. Same as the first kind of mode, one black and front means one time. Do 5 to 7 times during the whole operation. Hair bond directly in the process of operation, it is normal reaction. We have already operated all the treatment part for 5 times. The operation is over now. After the operation, we firstly put the laser hand tool on hand tool sheath. Click standby button, screw the key switch to close the cooling, and then turn off the instrument. After turn off the instrument, we start to ice the customer's treatment area. Ice like this for about 15 to 30 minutes. Then, we finish the operation of the second operation mode of 808 Diode laser.